Morning friends, welcome to the holistic approach of therapies in life. Before getting into that topic, let me introduce my book, Life is Beautiful. In this book, the holistic approaches to for well-being is written in this book. That includes laughter yoga, talk therapy, music therapy, yoga and meditation, visualization, reflexology, relaxation, walking, socializing and volunteering. And one of that is mudra healing and also chakra cleansing is there. Today, let us explore something about mudras. The universe is constituted with 5 elements, just like that our body too. And the elements are represented in our fingers and toes. So when talking about mudra, the fingers is having the role in the seal. Mudra means there is a seal. So among the elements, 3 are variables, that is the fire, air and the water, and the other 2 are constants, earth and akash. So how the elements are represented in our fingers means the thumb represents the fire, the index finger represents the air, the middle finger represents the akash or space, the ring finger represents the earth, that's our body, and our pinky finger, the little fingers, represents the water. So these 3 variables, that means the fire, air and water in our body, that the volume or the measurement in that varies in each and every body. Our mindset, that's also having some role in that part. And when we balance that 3 variables in our body for the balanced state of wellness, that is it. That's what we are going to do with these mudras. And the other 2, the body, when ask about your friend, just like that, Vishak, like that. So Vishak, his physique very well. So like that, the body is there and the space also, the consciousness, and that's also there. So the space also we have to increase in our body to decreases the ailments. So today I am going to tell you about 2 mudras. The first one is Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra means just like the Sanskrit meaning Jnana Mudra, it is the seal of wisdom. So in both hands, just like this, touch gently the tips of the thumb and the index finger, stretching out all the other 3 fingers. This is Jnana Mudra. This Jnana Mudra stimulates root chakra and it gives the patience of mind. So this is very important in meditation. It steadies the mind and this is the best used mudra in meditations. The next one I am going to introduce is Akash Mudra. Akash Mudra is gently touching the tips of the thumb and the middle finger, stretching out all other 3 fingers. Like this, stretching out all other 3 fingers. You can hold this also like that. And this mudra, Akash Mudra, stimulates the throat chakra. It is known as Vishuddha chakra also. And the ailments related with the Vishuddha chakra, the ear ailments, the migraine, sinus, everything, by holding this Akash Mudra, that will get decreased. And this holding the Akash Mudra means we are increasing the space within us and the consciousness. By holding this Akash Mudra, we are getting related to the super power. That means the soul to the supreme soul. So that's about these 2 mudras. And how to do these mudras means sit comfortably. You can sit on the floor, cross-legged, half lotus pose or lotus pose, or on the chair. The main thing is that while holding the mudras, you should not get any discomforts. You have to be comfortable throughout. So choose your best posture to sit or to sit on floor or on the chair. And also about mudras, while lying down also you can do that, even standing and doing something, you can standing and looking something, you can do that with your hands, and even while traveling you can do the mudras like that. And you have to do at least 20 minutes a mudra at a stretch. So if you are not having time that in your busy day, you can do it in 2 spells or even 3 spells. So visualize, focus on the tip of the seal and visualize the benefit you are expecting from the mudra and do it for at least a month. You can feel and you can experience the benefits. If it is not getting to the level that you need, you can continue the mudra holding for 2 months or 3 months. Just concentrate and do on one mudra and get the benefit of that and get skilled in that, then go to the other mudra like that. Okay friends, that is it for today. Thank you so much for viewing my video. Thank you, take care, till then, bye bye.